This is not good. Poor sods down there. This is just the start. And so it starts. This is the start of the flooding. Red car under there. Just everything's going under. It's not good. It's the start of a disaster zone. Mate, his car is completely under. Not good. Brisbane River's burst its banks out. Sandra and I were standing just there yesterday. Looks like it's about 2 meters under already. The sun's come out there. Sort of a good sign. Mate, you just spotted a caravan in the water. That's the caravan. Jeez. That's the same red car. Same red car as we saw earlier. There's 2 meters of water in there. That's where you walk down to get the ferry. So it's pretty bad. There's the river, and the river is now the park. Yeah, it's quite bad, and it's going to get much worse. Probably to the top of this thing here, at least another 2-3 meters by Thursday. Yeah, not good. Got my car repaired there just a couple of weeks ago. No, last weekend. Jesus. It's not good. Row your boat. I don't know whether you can see, but that's a bus stop just there. So it's about 2 meters under already.